Today we are in Erice.
Cause we're learning so quick. Think I missed a little bit of moving on now. You promised we won't be together. Not sure how this can last, won't be forever. Where's it at? Only girl you know. Take me to your place, wherever you want to go. And where's it at? Only girl you know.
Erice is a small town on top of the mountain, and it's all medieval. That's why all the streets are very narrow and all the roads are typical.
Definitely a beautiful view.
Yeah, and you can see beautiful view. You see?
Think I want to know how it is, holding on to things we wouldn't usually miss. Took our time to know each other. Hold your arms out, give me kisses, make me your lover. Where's it at?
And to come here, you can come here by the cableway,
Wherever you
or otherwise by the car.